In this video, I will show how to set 35 mm slide size in PowerPoint. So you have to click on this design tab, and once you click on it, here is the setting slide size. Click this drop down, then custom slide size, and in this drop down you have to select this 35 mm slides. Select it. So here you will see this height for this slide, and also you have the option to change orientation, portrait or landscape, and click on OK. Here you will get scaling option, maximize or ensure fit. So check one by one and see the which is the better for you. This is the maximize and this is the ensure fit. So see the result and select which is the better, and no any image cropping. So just two-step: design, slide size, customize slide size, and here in this list you have to find out the 35 mm. Also you can select manually from here to at 0575 cm and in the height 19.05 cm. Then click on OK. Thanks for watching.